This is video number 2 of Chapter 8 Opener. We are going to be solving equations. So, we want to solve the equations, and we should always check our answers to make sure they work. Okay? So, this problem looks to me to be just a linear equation, and you can start this multiple ways. I have this 4 multiplying a parentheses, so I can either distribute the 4 or I could divide both sides by 4. So I'm going to do that, and then it just gets rid of it. Okay, so I have 224 divided by 4, and that gives me 56 equals, and 4 divided by 4 is 1, so it leaves me with an x minus 9 on that side. Okay, so to solve for x, we're going to add 9 to both sides. Okay, so I get 65 equals x, or you could say x equals 65. That doesn't matter. And because this is linear, we know it's going to work, but you could always plug it in to see. So 56 minus 9, 65 minus 9 is 56. 56 times 4 is 224. So that, of course, does work. Okay, so that's for a linear equation. Then we have an exponential equation. Okay, so we have 5 times 3 to the x power equals 45. So I want what's to the x power all by itself before I can get that x out of the power. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So I end up with 9 equals 3 to the x power. So you can do this a couple of ways. We could just look at this and say, okay, 3 to what power is going to give me 9? Well, 3 squared, right? Or you can change them to a log. So remember, the base of an exponential is the base of a log. So log base 3 of 9 equals x. Okay, so if you couldn't figure that out from this stage, you could plug this in your calculator, and you are going to get that x equals 2. And you should always check your calculator. Check your answer. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 5 is 45, and that does work. Okay, so now I want you going to your practice and doing numbers 4 through 9. Submit your assignment in Big Ideas, and then submit it on Canvas.